Hey coaches, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Rochelle and I'm an ABC Trainerize user and fitness coach. And today we're diving into something that can completely transform your business and your clients' results. That's right, I'm talking about nutrition coaching through ABC Trainerize. Most clients come to you because they want some sort of physical change, whether that be putting on muscle, losing weight, or just looking better and more toned up overall. And how many times as a coach have you had that frustration and thought if they could just fix their nutrition, they'd see so much better results than just workouts can give them alone? Well, that is exactly the problem that we're going to solve for you today with these features. So I'm going to walk you through how ABC Trainerize makes nutrition coaching simple, effective, and most importantly, profitable for your business. So whether you're brand new to nutrition coaching or you're just looking to upgrade your current approach, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for adding nutrition coaching to your services. So before we dive into all these awesome features, let's talk about why nutrition coaching matters for your business. First, and probably most obviously to you, it improves your clients' results. When you can influence what happens in the kitchen as well as what happens in the gym, those clients' programs are going to become exponentially more impactful. Second, nutrition coaching is a great way to create a second revenue stream for your business. Our top coaches that are using our platform offer nutrition-specific packages or upgrade existing client services to include nutrition support. And third, it boosts retention. According to this study, users who actively engage with diet and nutrition apps for tracking their food have been found to experience 10% more weight loss than compared to those who don't use any kind of apps. That means clients who track both workouts and nutrition tend to see better results. And when they see better results, they're more likely to be satisfied with your services and stay with you for the long term. Now you may be thinking, as a personal trainer who maybe hasn't gotten certified in nutrition coaching officially, do I really have to be a registered dietitian or nutritionist to use these features? Well, the great news is that even as a personal trainer, you can start to work with your clients to create better eating habits. And ABC Trainerize gives you the tools to coach nutrition confidently, no matter your current expertise level or certifications. So let's start with the most important part of your client's nutrition journey, setting goals and creating a plan. So beyond tracking and just planning, ABC Trainerize helps your clients build better nutrition habits through goals and habit tracking. Let me show you how to set nutrition-specific goals within the platform. So when clients set up their profile, they'll be prompted with some basic information such as their height, weight, and age that they'll fill out. Our system will then use this data to automatically calculate their estimated daily calorie expenditure. From there, whether their goal is to lose weight, build muscle, or simply to maintain their current body weight and shape, we'll recommend a calorie target, which you can then go in and adjust accordingly. Now, even though it's great that this is all done for you, if you want a little bit more personal touch and a little bit of added customization, you can also go ahead and customize your client intake form to ask those certain questions that you need to know. You can ask more personalized nutrition questions right at onboarding, such as their preferences and allergies to set up features like the Smart Meal Planner. More on that later in the video. So in addition to these calorie targets, you can also go ahead and add a weight goal right into your client's goals dashboard. And because at ABC Trainerize, we're all about automation and making your life as easy as possible, this goal will automatically update when your clients update their weight changes, moving them closer to that target. And our coaches especially love this because it makes visualizing their progress so easy. Clients can literally see their nutrition journey unfolding day by day. And what could be more motivating than that? So now that your clients have set their goals and they have their targets, let's start with a foundational piece of nutrition coaching, meal tracking. ABC Trainerize gives you multiple options to match your coaching style and your clients' needs. So if you have a lot of beginners or clients who are new to nutrition coaching and get overwhelmed easily with too many tasks, photo food journaling is a perfect option for them. Let me show you how this works. All the client does is simply snap a photo of their meal, upload it into the app, and add a quick description, and then you can go in as their coach and provide feedback right within the app. This builds awareness around what they're eating without the pressure of having to count or track every single calorie. And for more advanced clients who like to get a little bit more deep with the numbers, we offer comprehensive food tracking with our extensive food library. Clients can search foods or add their own foods if they can't find it by scanning the barcodes, and they can even add their own recipes. From there, all macros and calories are automatically calculated, again, taking the work off of your plate. So when it comes to finding an approach for your client, the key here is flexibility. This also helps with compliance and retention because you're meeting clients where they're at rather than trying to fit them in a box. So now let's talk about meal planning, a feature that's going to truly take your nutrition coaching to the next level. And with ABC Trainerize, you have two powerful options in terms of meal planning. First, you can upload custom PDF meal plans that you've created yourself. This is perfect if you already have meal plans that you love using with clients, or you're offering a more low-touch program that doesn't require as much personalization. Now, uploading a PDF is a great start, but uploading PDFs can also limit your clients' options and potentially even add more work to your plate. And of course, we've got a solution for you, and that is our Smart Meal Planner. It gives your clients more options and takes the work out of it for you. Clients get a variety of meals to choose from each week, and you have more time to focus on other aspects of your training that will move the needle forward. So here's how it works. You set up the client's goals, preferences, and dietary restrictions, and your clients get access to hundreds of healthy recipes that fit those parameters. They can add and favorite their most loved recipes, swap meals that they don't like so much, generate shopping lists, and even watch recipe videos. The best part of this is that clients love the autonomy of choosing meals that they actually want to eat, which drastically improves compliance. And for you as a coach, this saves you hours of time instead of creating custom meal plans for each client. And because of the variety, you're still able to deliver an exceptional client experience. So meal plans and recipes are great, but let's talk about actual nutrition habits. These are the small daily actions that are going to create massive changes over time. And this is where habit coaching comes into play. You can use our pre-built nutrition habits from our extensive library, or create custom ones that are specific to your client's needs. Think things like drink 2 liters of water a day, or include protein in every meal. These actions support your clients with a more holistic view of nutrition that can be customized to fit their lifestyle and their needs. Clients can check off those daily habits, build streaks, and earn badges, which adds a really fun gamification element to your nutrition coaching. So we highly recommend digging into the newly updated habit library to see which nutrition habits fit your client's lifestyle. You can go in, add it directly into their workout program or calendar so that they see it daily in their dashboard and they don't even have to think about it. So one of most coaches' favorite aspects of ABC Trainerize is how it visualizes client progress. Our newly updated Nutrition Center gives you instant visibility into how clients are doing with their nutrition. So the nutrition graphs track calorie intake, calorie burn, and calories in and out over time, showing both you and your client the trends that are influencing their results. So if they're feeling like they've hit a little bit of a plateau and they're not seeing progress, this is a great place to go in and check what's really going on. Without getting that full picture that only the data can bring, it's really hard to tell what the issue or challenge might be. And when you're able to deep dive into the data from these nicely laid out dashboards, it helps you come across as more professional and knowledgeable, something that your clients will respect and they'll remember when it comes to staying with you long term. So one of the biggest questions we get over here at ABC Trainerize is how to support clients that are already maybe using apps like MyFitnessPal or devices like Fitbit to track their nutrition. ABC Trainerize integrates seamlessly with these other platforms. Inside your setup dashboard, you can go ahead and send clients prompt to connect their devices and apps that they're already using. This way, everything is just automatically syncing to their dashboard and they don't have to do it twice. It also means that clients can continue to use tools that they're already comfortable with, while you still get all the data in your ABC Trainerize dashboard. We love these integrations because they really give you a 360 view of your clients' health behaviors without adding extra work or time for you. So make sure your clients have connected all those apps and that the connections are running properly so you can get a steady stream of data to inform your coaching. So there you have it, a complete nutrition system that works both for beginners and experienced coaches. And whether you're just starting to talk about nutrition with your clients, or you're looking to offer more comprehensive meal planning and take your nutrition services to the next level, ABC Trainerize gives you all the tools that you need to do it confidently and effectively. And if you take one thing away from this video, it's this. Nutrition coaching doesn't just improve client results, it creates an entirely new revenue stream for your business while boosting your client retention. ABC Trainerize offers different levels of nutrition features depending on your plan. Make sure you check out our website, trainerize.com, for full pricing details and to see which nutrition features are included in your subscription or available as add-ons. If you're ready to get started and have your clients feeling their healthiest and happiest yet, try ABC Trainerize free for 30 days. You can sign up now using the link in description. And if you found this video walkthrough of these nutrition features helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your coaching business. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.